In this video, we'll show how to finalize the assembly and connect the cables from the both harnesses. Here, these cables to the Raspberry Pi Zero. So you're gonna have your menu cables and then player 1, and then under here you have player 2 is being routed here. You have a Raspberry Pi Zero with the firmware for arcade connected to the HDMI screen, power, and USB plug. Make sure you connect, make sure when you turn on the Raspberry Pi, you have the screen connected. It will automatically go into the configuration app, and the way the configuration app works, it shows you where the pins are, what the pins mean. So this pin, these headers here, are the same as this line here. And this tells you that, let me go close up here. This means ground. A, B, left, up, right, down. This is player 1. Player 2. Plus means don't put anything there. And we've got ground again, and then the menu system. Let's show you how you do the first player, and then you should be able to do all the rest of the pins. So you have your Raspberry Pi here. Make sure you have some slack for buttons so that it's easier to work. Get your assembly here. And what you're gonna have to do is route every wire on the first row. So I'm going to put ground on the first corner here. And again, if you look at the app, you'll see that the first pin here is this pin here. All right. So now there's the question of these 6 cables and what do they mean? Who's A, who's B, and so forth. So the way you can do it is just grab one and put it on the first pin. Now, click the buttons and see when I'm moving left, A is turning on. So this pin, this black pin, really is the left button. Now I know from my chart that left is 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th pin. So I can take this wire here and put it on the 4th pin so that now when I move left, it's there. Now, of course, this is flipped, so this is not really left, this is right. So I need to go 2 more to the 1 and 2. All right. So when I move this, it's going on. And I'm gonna do that the same for all the wire in the assembly. So I'm gonna add this one here. And I'm going to try, and here I'm moving, so this is my left direction. And left is going to be 2 more to the right. So I've got left and right. Now I'm going to try the next one. Now I'm pretty sure if these are the direction, the first 2 ones are probably A and B. So I'm going to try my luck here. I'm going to put these 2 here. Let's try with 1. To blue one here, and if I press, so this is my A button, it's correct. So I got that, I got lucky. I'm gonna try the other button here. And now I've got A and B. So I'm down to 2 more wires. Let's see if there's a spot. So we're gonna put the first one here. And if I move up, down. So this is the down, and it's had this up version. So I need to remove that one, put it at the down location, and put the last header here. The header. There we go. All right. So make sure you test everything. Up, down, right, left, A, B. We've got the first assembly. Eventually, all of this will be hidden. Once you have everything correct, make sure you tape your Raspberry Pi, tape the headers so they don't move. And basically, you can put the cover back and hide everything.